Welcome back to Cruising America. Today we're hiking to the Lynn Camp Waterfalls in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. We're Steve and Kathleen. We're Cruising America in our 35-foot fifth wheel RV, chasing 70-degree weather year-round. If you'd like to watch our previous videos, please click the Cruising America playlist link in the description below this video. Otherwise, enjoy our current episode starting now. Lynn Camp Waterfalls is a great hike for the family. It's short, has a gentle climb, and is accessible and entertaining for the kids. Because it's not a top hike in the park, it's not overcrowded, but you most likely will encounter other hikers. You can easily hit this hike after touring Cades Cove, especially if you want to cool off in the water. Cross the iron footbridge to the start of the Middle Prong Trail. The path was an old logging railroad converted to a Forest Service road, so it's wide and you can follow it all the way up to the falls. Along the way, you will find benches where you can rest and take in the beautiful scenery, although that may not be necessary because the path has a gentle 3% grade. Along this trail, you have the potential to see white-tailed deer, elk, turkey, and black bear.
Weak curious witchery.